Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Dawson, Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists continued to detect a tornado. This tornado was located about 6 miles south of Lamesa, moving east at 11 miles per hour. If you are in the path of these tornadoes, seek shelter on the lowest floor of your home away from windows. Get under a workbench or other sturdy piece of furniture. If you are in a car or mobile home, leave it for more substantial shelter, or lie flat in the nearest ditch. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Dawson, Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.